While this might be the biggest unboxing I've done in terms of the box, this here is Sony's flagship television for 2024, the Bravia 9. Mini LED, 75 inches. All of the technology that they've had in filmmaking, right to the mastering of their films. Well, the monitor that they use, that technology is inside this television. Like I said, it's their flagship. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Be sure to watch the separate video where I do the full review. But right now, let's begin with the unboxing. Like, how high can I go? This box is massive. Holy cow. Slowly. Just gotta slowly take it off. Holy cow, this thing is huge. It's like, what do I need more room? Okay, I'm gonna take that off to the side. See if I can push this. Holy cow. This is the biggest unboxing ever. Look at all these cardboard pieces. Wow. I don't know how this is coming off. There we go. Oh, hitting the trees. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this in the front for a second and remove it. Man, this is gonna be hard putting back in the box. You got all these pieces to reinforce it on the front. I'll put those onto the side. Now, somehow I gotta get this plastic off. Which is gonna be a little tricky. This would definitely be helpful if you had two people. You got more of these plates everywhere. Those, I believe, go on the back. But somehow I got to get this plastic off. So it looks like I'm gonna have to lift the whole thing out. But the question is, what do I do after that? Put it back in to put the stands in. So folks, just because this is such a hard unboxing, I'm gonna pause for now, open instructions, see what the next steps are in terms of how to get the stands on, because this thing is massive. Like, I can't even get my arms around it to like pick it up. So I feel like I'm definitely gonna need a second person to even get this onto a table or onto a stand. It is huge, 75 inches of pure glory. If it comes at a cost, you're gonna need the help to put this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions now, and then I'll get back to you and show you everything that it comes out of the box. All right, here's everything it comes with. Of course, you can see you got your TV stand, a whole bunch of plates that go on the back. I imagine to cover up everything once you have it all set up. You have the manual, of course, we had the quick start manual, the power cord. This is a charging cable for the controller because it doesn't have batteries. It charges USB-C. You also have some cable ties and this little audio adapter that I'm gonna keep in that bag because I'll probably lose it. And of course the screws for the plates. So that's everything that you get inside of the box. Now I just got to get some help because this thing is ginormous. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put the stands on by itself because I can't even reach to pick it up. So I'm going to have to get some help. to get the stand on. And then after that, you'll want to watch the review of this, but that's going to conclude the unboxing because I'm going to have to call for some help, folks. So this is it, the unboxing of the brightest television Sony has ever made, the Bravia 9. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch the full review when I hook this up and really test it out in a bright room to see just how bright that screen is. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.